guys, welcome back to the Lois A Flagg Library for another virtual program. Happy National Crayon Day. And in the next common slides and video clips, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create blow dryer crayon art. So of course you need crayons, and I went ahead and took the wrappers off of my crayons just because I like the visual effect. You'll see when I show you the other upcoming slides of why I took the wrappers off, but you don't have to. So I took the wrappers off my crayons, and I did get everything from Dollar Tree. So I got a canvas, and I also got some crayons from Dollar Tree. I happen to use some Crayola crayons as well, and I'll tell you guys about that. So what I did was, once I removed the wrappers from my crayons, I put just regular school glue on them, and I aligned them on my canvas, okay? And in the coming clip, you'll see how I did that. Okay. So I staggered mine just because I like the visual effect of them. You know, you can do this however you choose to do it. This is just a basis of how to do this project. So now I have a clip of me taking my blow dryer, setting up my workstation. You're also going to need some newspaper as well to cover your table, but I'm just going ahead and I'm blow drying my crayons to get that gradient effect of color that I have at the top. Now, the reason why I didn't just melt the crayons that I had glued down was because I found it quite difficult to melt those crayons that I bought from the Dollar Tree. So I had a box of Crayola crayons as well, and they honestly melted a lot better than the other crayons did. So you might spend about $1.50, but I mean, this project is really cheap, guys. So if you need any supplies, just call the Lois A Flagg Library and contact us and let us know. But it should be easy peasy lemon squeezy, okay? So here I'm just kind of blending the colors together, the reds and pinks, purples and blues, and keeping in mind color theory of what colors work together on a color wheel to, you know, go from one color to the next. So I'm just gonna finish that up, and I'll let you guys see the finished product. So guys, this is my finished product, and this concludes our National Crayon Day program, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please tag the Lois A Flagg Library to let us know how your project came out, and we love to see your crafts. As always, have a great day, guys. Bye bye.